What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I want to share with you the 10-minute challenge that's going to show you how to get traffic, make commission, and how you can win your share of $20,000 in just 10 minutes per day. Now, this is hosted by the OLSP community. Wayne Crowe just came out with this 10-minute challenge, and what it is for a week, an entire week, Monday through Friday. You're going to hop on a call with Wayne Crowe and myself and the other members inside of OLSP that are team builders and VIP, and you're going to join the 10-minute challenge, which is going to show you how to start generating traffic and earning commissions all in just 10 minutes. So if you want to do that, I want to show you how to join, the OLSP system and the 10-minute challenge so you can win up to $20,000. So this is the actual page as you see up here at the top. It starts in 6 days, 22 hours and 20 minutes and 31 seconds. The time is just winding down. So it's actually going to kick off next week. It is called the 10-minute challenge. You're going to get 5 10-minute sessions with Wayne Crowe. Finally break free from busy work, drive real traffic, earn commission, and compete for your share of $20,000 giveaway. Wayne is going to explain that in this video. But what you can do is just come to this page by clicking the link in the description below. It's going to bring you to this page right here now. You can grab your spot for only $17 before it closes. So you want to go ahead and get in as soon as possible because you don't want to miss out on the opportunity. 1, to start generating traffic, 2, to start earning commissions, and number 3, have an opportunity to win your share of the $20,000 commission that are being given out. Now, you can read all about Wayne right here on this page. He's been in the business for over 15 years. So you can read all about him here. Read this page. Make sure you go through it. I know why you're struggling. So he's going to share that with you. You tried every quick fix under the sun, webinars, email blast, social post, but all of you gotten is crickets. You're grinding away for hours, spinning your wheel and seeing zero return on your effort. Meanwhile, people who crack the code are generating floods of traffic, raking in commission checks and climbing our contest leaderboard, and you're left wondering, what am I missing? And if you feel like that, then I highly recommend that you join this challenge with me because I'm actually going to go through this challenge myself. As a matter of fact, I was up at 6 o'clock this morning to get on the 10-minute challenge, or getting instructions on how this is going to work. And so now I'm sharing it with you so you'll be prepared and get ready to jump on yourself, next week when this thing kick off, because I will be on it next week as well. So here's what you're going to get inside. You're going to get 5 live 10-minute sessions with Wayne Crowe. You're going to join him each day for 5 days for laser focused coaching, ask questions, get feedback, and implement in real time. So this is not going to be just some video that you're going to watch and then it's left up to you. He's actually going to give you laser focused, coaching. Ask your questions that you have, get feedback, and implement it right then and there. Also, step-by-step 10-minute blueprint, clear daily action so you never get stuck or overwhelmed, covering both traffic getting tactics and conversion steps. All of that is in there. You're going to get high converting script templates, swipe proven messages for email, DMs, and ads that drive visitors and turns prospects into buyer. A simple tracking system so you want to know where your leads and sales are coming from, pinpoint exactly which 10-minute activities are delivering traffic and commissions and which to ditch. You don't want to be doing things that's not earning you money or bringing in commission and generating you buyer leads. Accountability cheat sheet, 1-page tracker to keep you motivated and on pace throughout the challenge. So you're going to be held accountable as you go through this challenge because we don't want you just joining if you're not going to implement and take action on what is being taught. This is for people who really want to get started in affiliate marketing, who really want to know how to make money online, who really want to earn commission and start generating, those leads that are actually going to buy from them. You're going to get contest points and $20,000 giveaway. Every action you take in the challenge earns you points towards the $20,000 contest. Anyone can win. Top point earners share the prize pool. So you have an opportunity to not only share the 10-minute challenge, but also to make money during the 10-minute challenge, and an opportunity to earn some money, some of this 20K that's going to be given away as well, and earn points as you go along. Now, why does this work? You got a 5 touch point. Live coaching keeps you actionable and lets you ask questions in real time. No overwhelm. 10 minutes a day means you can't procrastinate and you won't burn out. Live proof. You'll watch fellow participants get real traffic commission results right before your eye, unlike anything you have seen before. So if you've never seen anybody earn commissions live, this challenge is for you. I highly recommend that you click the link in the description to get started now for only $17 today, one time. Okay, so you can be ready to join this live next week. Proven result. In our initial test, the majority of students saw a surge in traffic and landed their first commission within 24 hours, spending just 10 focused minutes per day. Many went to score multiple spikes in commissions each day, proving the simple system works. So this is a simple system. If you're tired of complicated system, if you're tired of the guru, selling you this, that, and the other, leaving you to do it by yourself, that's not the case with the OLSP 10-minute challenge. Okay, you can join the OLSP system right now and get started today. You're going to be held by the hand. You're going to be shown what to do, when to do it, how to do it, and so you can start generating leads and traffic. Now, who this isn't for, okay, because this isn't for everybody, and it may not be for you even though you're watching this video. So who this isn't for, if you're looking for a push button and make money without lifting a finger, this isn't for you. If you expect a get rich quick scheme or fluff, move along. Okay, this is for action takers who know money doesn't fall from the sky but are fed up with noise and ready for step-by-step 10-minute task that drives real traffic, commission, and contest point. Scarcity and urgency. This is for action takers who know money doesn't fall from the sky and are fed up with the noise, ready for step-by-step 10-minute tasks to drive real traffic, commission, and point. Your investment today. For a limited time, you can join a 10-minute challenge, including 5 live sessions, all the templates, tracking tools, your shot at $20,000 giveaway for just $17. That's less than your daily coffee for a system that pays you back again and again. Commission and contest winning. So if you're ready to stop spinning your wheel and start seeing traffic and commission notification, contest points instead of cricket, the enrollment will close soon once we hit capacity. That's it. Click the button below to grab your spot. Go to the description right now. Lock in your spot for this challenge on next week. I'm going to be in the challenge. I want to see you in the challenge as well. Right now, you can get started inside of the group. Now, as I said before, you want to make sure that you watch this video. Okay, this video is going to explain to you how it's done. You're going to be given templates and everything you need to make Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, YouTube, all of that stuff like that, all of the tools you need, all the training you need, all of the stuff you need in order to make this work is going to be handed to you on a silver platter. You just have to make up your mind that this is what you want to do and you're willing to take the 10-minute challenge. It's going to start, like I say, in 6 days, 22 hours, and 12 minutes, and the seconds are busy counting down. Go ahead and click that link in the description right now to get started. Also, there's going to be a school group for the 10-minute challenge as long as it's going on. But once the 10-minute challenge is over, that group is going to disappear. So you're going to have access to that school group as well. So you're going to get the support you need. It's going to have everything you need in it to get started. So go ahead on right now. Click that link in the description. I'm looking forward to working with you and seeing you inside of the OLSP system. Go ahead right now. Let's get started. Leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, my contact information will be above or somewhere in this video down in the description. Leave me a comment, like the video, share the video, give me a thumbs up on this video if they still do that. I don't even know. So much has changed now. But anyway, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.